Punkers, ready ka na ba? Deal or no deal? No deal! Charan! What's up guys? Welcome back again to Ching TV channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Shoutout pala dyan sa mga ka-friendship natin out there. Hello! And shoutout sa mga ka-YouTuber natin dyan. Hello sa inyo. Kumusta? Welcome na naman sa panibagong vlog natin and welcome to Ching TV channel. So for today's vlog mga ka-friendship mga guys, isa na namang adventure ang gagawin natin. So we're here at Milton Rattlesnake Trails. Milton, located in Ontario, Canada. It's a fall weather now. So this weather, maraming gusto sa ganitong weather and everyone loves this weather because they love wearing sweaters, boots, scarf, and then especially that yung mga leaves is they changing colors. So look at that. So iba nagkukulay red, yung iba nag-stay green, yung iba dilaw, iba orange. So it was amazing talaga yung fall weather. So i-explore na natin itong Rattlesnake Milton Trails. So let's go, samahan nyo ako mga guys, mga ka-friendship. So here's the map of the trails. Rattlesnake Point. So that's the activities. Find your place here. Rattlesnake Trails, and this is the map. Area facts. So yan yung mga significant na mga lookout. So this is the Halton map. That is the Halton Parks. Find your place here. So you can go to Crawford Lake, Rattlesnake Point. So yun yung unang puntahan natin, yung Rattlesnake Point. There is Hilton Falls. There is also Kelso. And there is also Mountsberg, Mount Nemo, and Edmondson. So you can do fishing. And then this one, so lucky ka kung maspatan mo yan. So yan yung makikita nyo dito sa trails na to. The trails na mga guys, mga ka-friendship. So that's the trail etiquette, and there is also rock climbing, hiking. So kung naka hiking shoes ka, so you can hike. At yung kung meron ka mga equipment sa pag-hike, so pwede ka mag-hike. It's free lang. And yan yung makikita mo dito. And that, look at that. So we're starting the trails na. And then this is the first lookout. So this is the first lookout, as you can see. So very cliff siya talaga. So mag-hike ka dyan kung gusto mo. So that's the Milton, Ontario view. And pwede tayong umakyat doon. Diyan. So that you can see the full view. So aakyat tayo doon. So kita niyo yan yung mga leaves, mga trees, yung ibang nag-change color na talaga. Because it's very nice weather. It's a fall weather. So this is a beautiful weather. Everyone loves this. So ayan siya. That's the one. So this is the first lookout mga guys. cliff siya talaga. So, ayan siya. So, wala siyang masyadong sunset or sunny kasi 4 p.m. in the afternoon na. At yung weather, it's like hindi siya sunny or hindi siya sunset. And then, there is one here. Kung gusto mo mag-climb or hiking, ito yung tinatalian ng lubid. Ayan siya. So, ayan, dyan mo italing lubid. Tapos, dyan ka mag-hike sa baba. So, pwede kang bumaba doon. It's your own risk. So, marami nagpupunta dito, guys. So, you can view also here. But, syempre, may mga puno. So, look at that leaves. Changing color. Look at that. So beautiful, right? So, maganda siya mga guys. Ayan. And this one is another look up to. So that's the one. So this is the view. Maganda sana pag may sunset siya or sign kasi makikita nyo talaga yung tunay na kulay ng mga dilaw na leaves. So some is getting yellow and red. Then there is the view again. So that's the one. So ayan siya mga guys. So, doon sa baba, doon ka bababa kung gusto mong mag-hike, mag-climb. So, dapat may mga rope kang dala or lubid. Hello. Lakad-lakad lang tayo mga guys. So, another view, look up. As you can see there. So, keep caution. People below, do not throw anything off the cliff. Kasi may mga tao sa baba. So, ayan yung mga fins. This one. Okay. So that's the view mga guys. So dapat adventurous ka talaga kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong adventures and trails. So pupunta tayo sa baba. Before, there's a big bonsai trees here, pero pinutol na nila. Kasi hindi siya siguro safe. So we're going down, mga guys, mga ka-friendship. So yung last vlog natin is nagkasaloma tayo sa may Toronto City, Ontario, Canada. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo doon sa castle in Casaloma. So, marami akong na-share doon ng mga historical. It's like museum. So, this is the Talus Slope. So, that's the one. Then, ito yung historical guide nila or map ng Rattlesnake. Life among the rocks. So, gusto mo dun mag-explore sa baba, i-explore na natin. Sayang din, di ba, mga ka-friendship, mga guys. So, tara, let's go! So, kita nyo yan yung Talus Slope. So, that's the Talus Slope. So that's the cave. So diyan ka magka-climb. So that's the one or this one. So that's the view. So nakikita niyo yan, mga guys. Okay, what can you say about that cave? That's the Talus Slope. Oh, ang ganda, diba? So, nandun tayo kanina sa taas. So, ito yung view pa sa baba. So, meron din daw doon sa map ng merong mga species na mga snake. So, careful lang tayo. That's a huge rock formation. At yan yung view doon. Yan. Sa taas na yan, doon ka aakyat. Sa taas na yan, sa tok-tok na yan, nandun tayo kanina. Guys, this is the beaver tails fried poutine. So it's like a pancake, and then they put Nutella, and there's lots of flavor. So these beaver tails, it's known like you are Canadian. So this one is like a national animal too, like beaver. If you're Canadian daw, dapat kumain ka nito ng beaver tails. Yan. So, pero ngayon, sarado siya. Wala siyang facilities. Hindi siya open. So, pupunta tayo sa trails because it's fall season. So, papakita ko sa inyo dito yung mga magagandang puno na magagandang kulay ng mga trees. As you can see that we're going all the way to the trails. So let's go. So it's a beautiful trails, beautiful trees. So it's nice here, guys. Quiet and nice trees. So yung mga trees hindi pa siya masyado nag-change ng color kasi nasa taas pa lahat yung nag-change na. So yung iba nagfo-fall na yung mga leaves, kaya they called fall weather. So this is the fall weather. So gusto ko lang ipakita at i-share sa inyo guys. Look at this nature. So marami din na pumupunta dito mga guys, mga ka-friendship. Tapos refreshing talaga yung air, malamig, ganda ng mga trees. Look at that, maraming nag-hike. Look, one is the hiking guys. So guys, mga ka-friendship, we're here already at Indio, or they call Crawford Lake. So this is some historical and interesting facts that wrote here. So let's go, let's start to another trails. So look at these beautiful colors of leaves mga guys, mga ka-friendship. Look at that beautiful colors. So ayan siya. So like parang mga bahay ng mga indigenous, yung una din na nandito sa Canada, yung mga indigenous. So yan, so let's respect some indigenous. So mga ginawa yan nila siguro. Then those beautiful trees. So nakita nyo yan. Oh, pa. So may orange, may yellow. So look at this view O diba, parang probinsya na probinsya lang. Tahimik, walang masyadong tao. So this is the Crawford Lake. Kasunod ng Rattlesnake. Kumusta mga kababayan? Isang nagbabagang balita dito sa 24 oras. Mga kababayan, isang balita na isang probinsya galing Maynila ay tinala sa Canada. Ito yun sa mga likuran ko mga kababayan. So ito yung Chika Minute. Isang kahoy na nakatayo, hindi nakakaayang kahoy. Kapatid, itong mga kahoy ay galing sa kahoy ng balkonahin namin. Charot. Mga hinday din. Mga bonfire. Kasi ito yung tinatawag nila na Crawford Lake. Parang dinala na nila yung Pilipinas dito. Tingnan nyo, ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Probinsyang probinsya. Yung lugar na ito. So guys, so nandito na tayo sa mga wooden craft nila. So may mga ulo sa so it's a nice wood and then it's crafted artwork, my dragonfly, and then it's a Robin's raw amazing art. So wood siya talaga. So this is the tree of maple tree, and they do the wood craft. So dito lang yan guys makikita sa Milton, Ontario, Canada. At ito pa isa mga ka-friendship. Isang kakaibang hindi sa kaya-kaya. Sasabi nila isang kaso. Pero, buhos pala. Pero, so, it's a raw art again. Good siya. So, ang ganda niya talaga. Look at that guys. Very nice. And perfect. Guys, mga kapatid, sana yung mga maganda. Blue jays na bird. So, like blue jays. Then may hat siya. Ito yung nandun kanina sa picture na mas patay na isa. So mga guys, ang isa na namang kakaibang nakuri ko. Charot. This is like, this one is really nice. This is like lizard. Tawag doon. Talagang makikita mo sa gubat. So it's nice to this one. And then let's go to the next one. nandito na tayo sa lake. Mga guys, mga friendship. So, there's another trail going there to the Rattlesnake Point. All the way there. And this one is continued na lake niya. Then may ocean. So it's a nice view, guys. Very appreciated Mother Nature. It's nice. So thank you so much mga guys. So dito na nagtatapos ang ating adventure na trails at Rattlesnake Point here in Milton, Ontario, Canada. So it was really amazing adventure. You can experience beautiful colors of the leaves, then beautiful view of the lake. So I hope guys nag-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog for today. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click and subscribe the button, and please don't forget to click the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa aking mga next video at sa aking mga adventure at sa aking mga cooking at kung ano pa. So bye mga guys, mga ka-friendship. See you next on my next vlog. Bye. God bless you all.